All right, so you guys can hear it. I'm in the back of a BMW. So it's getting kind of hot in here and everything, so I gotta save my breath. I to show you guys what is in store for today's event. So we're gonna stay quiet, see what happens.
Make your way there.
One 104.67, 102.72. That's crazy. Even though you had a little bit of a late. Right. Here with Savage E90, and you have a obviously E90,
An E90
right?
325i.
What have you done to the car?
Modified the back bumper to an M3 style bumper with the exhaust, some bronze rims.
Yeah.
Put a carbon fiber spoiler in the back, a front lip, some side skirts. Put a carbon trim on the steering wheel. Pretty much.
And
it.
you came all the way from San Diego, basically,
Diego,
right?
yeah.
It's a goddamn drive, huh?
Oh yeah.
But have you? I know you haven't seen all the cars, but pulling up, like, what's your favorite BMW around here?
I know the E60 M5. To
Yeah.
be honest.
Yeah,
I've
dude.
seen multiple.
Have you seen this one right here with the different exhausts, right?
Yeah, the M3 G80.
That's crazy,
yeah,
dude. That's crazy. Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars. Even the one over there, it's like a right-hand drive wagon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's insane, dude. There's so many different BMWs, and it's like I could have been into this world, but it's a whole different Euro scene. So yeah. But I'm gonna get walking around and everything. Take some videos. You said your car's over there?
Yeah, my car's over there.
Hiding. I had to find it because I went everywhere. I went back and forth everywhere. So this video is gonna be all over the place. But
Yeah.
Savage E90 right over here. We're gonna go check out his build, and then after that, we are going to check out the rest of the cars.
All right.
Goes a long way. That goes a long way, you guys. So make sure to do that. Please, let's get that vehicle moved. Let's get that vehicle moved. Don't forget, I'm going to be also looking out for best kicks. We might do a best kick award. We see the young lady right here. Those that lost some pounds. Yeah, she's like, yeah. Right? Hey, you warm. I was going to wear some new ones, but I knew my feet were going to hurt. So I said, no. I'm working today. I can't stunt that much.
76 in the left lane goes quicker and gets beat because he gave up 3.
Alright, so there you guys have it. This is it for part 1 of the video. There will be some more content, part 2 coming up very soon. This video is kind of just rolling around back and forth. You guys seen the entry, talking with Savage 90, and just kind of skating around, getting to see all the different builds around here and just getting some roller shots and everything. And definitely there will be a part 2 as well, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that part 2. Definitely will be a lot more of the cars more closer up and just a lot more cinematic, I guess, and it will be music over. So this is going to be kind of just a raw edit, raw video, clean audio in the background. You guys can hear everything going on, so you guys are immersed into the car event as well. And of course that drag strip event stuff going on. There's more happening here, but it is about that time for me to start heading out because I do have work in just a little bit. So I was able to get out here, and it's absolutely insane. A big shout out to BM3 Baby. Big shout out to the homies that I met over there with the drift build. And over here I met a couple with their kid, and they're cleaning up the car. It's a BMW and a Lamborghini racing each other down that way. So definitely want to see that downstairs, but that'll be in part 2. So but definitely trying to get some more closer up. Bimmer Girls right over here. You have a lot of different booths. Truly booth right over there. Shout out to everybody all around here. Definitely we've seen some of these cars before. AA Concepts was a company that we've seen before. BBS Wheels, that Liquid Molly, we've seen them before at Peterson Museum. Downstars over there. This is a killer day, guys. I haven't seen this place this packed with this many cars. Now Fuel Fest was this many cars, but with stock cars. And if we turn around really quick, I know this is a long outro, we still have a lot of cars pulling up, guys. It's absolutely insane, and there is a whole entire parking lot full of cars that didn't get in the show and cars that are just here to see the show. So we have modded cars, stock cars, Subarus, Hondas, Chevys, any kind of car, any kind of brand, you name it, but they are parked on the other side. Of course there's some Ford Maverick parked over here, and they were trying to flag him down for the longest. We got this Civic rolling around here, don't know what he's doing. Perhaps he believes he's a German engineer, but if we can zoom in real quick. So you even got Teslas pulling up. That's that car, so it's a McLaren 720. I wonder who that is. Has to be a Lamborghini behind him, but definitely I'll show you guys in part 2. I don't want to get copyrighted with that natural audio. I really wish that they started the burnout pit right now. That would be super insane. But big shout out to everybody who I took pictures with today, who I met today. Big shout out to the guy who helped me out get in this event today. Yes, that is not the correct way how to do it. Buy a ticket, spend the money, support the group, but it's a BMW group, man. If you got a BMW and you can afford here at Irwindale, I think you have either a good connection with life or just a lot of money. But stay tuned for part 2, guys. Hit that subscription button as always. Stay safe and stay chill.